Hello students, I Rahul Mishra and today we will discuss the numerical problems based on mole concept, and this was your homework. Now today we will discuss homework and it was calculate the number of moles present in. It means हमें number of moles calculate करना है. So listen first question. In 44 gram of CO2, it means 44 gram CO2 में कितने number of moles present हैं, then you have to calculate it. So listen. So we have earlier discussed the number of moles. The number of moles small n is equal to given mass upon molecular mass, given mass upon molecular mass of substance. So given mass of substance upon molecular mass of substance. So listen, given mass of substance is small w and molecular mass of substance is small m. So we can write small n is equal to w by m. So the number of moles equal to given mass upon molecular mass. So given mass is 44 gram. कितने मास में हमें नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कैलकुलेट करने हैं? इट इज गिवन 44 ग्राम CO2 में हमें नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कैलकुलेट करने हैं. सो गिवन मास स्मॉल w इज 44 ग्राम. इट इज गिवन इनटू योर क्वेश्चन. नाउ वी कैलकुलेट स्मॉल m. So small m of CO2, it means molecular mass of CO2, it will be C plus 2 into O. It means we can write C plus 2 into O. What is C? It is the atomic mass of carbon plus 2 into atomic mass of oxygen. So atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus 2 into atomic mass of oxygen, it is 16. Now we calculate it. It is 12 plus 32 and it is 44. It means we can say m of CO2 is 44 gram. So listen, now number of moles equal to w by m. N is equal to w by m. Now we apply number of moles. It is equal to w by m. So we can write w is w of CO2. It means this is given mass of CO2. It is 44 gram. And you have calculated the molecular mass. It is also 44 gram. So how many number of moles present in 44 gram CO2? It means n is equal to 1. So 1 mole is present in 44 gram of CO2. It means 44 gram CO2 में कितने मोल प्रेजेंट हैं? हमारा आंसर होगा 1 मोल. So listen, this was first question. Now we will discuss the second part of your homework. So listen. So the number of moles calculate in 56 gram of N2. It means 56 gram नाइट्रोजन में कितने नंबर ऑफ मोल्स हैं ये हमें बताना है. So listen, given mass of N2 is W of N2. This is given mass of N2 and it is 56. What is the molecular mass of N2? We can write 2 into N. 2 into atomic mass of nitrogen, it will be molecular mass of nitrogen. So 2 into atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. So molecular mass of nitrogen will be 28. So listen, number of moles of N2, number of moles of nitrogen, it is equal to given mass of nitrogen means N2, W of N2 upon molecular mass of nitrogen. So W by M, N is equal to W by M. We are talking about which substance? We are talking about nitrogen. So number of moles of nitrogen. N of N2 means number of moles of nitrogen. W of N2 means given mass of nitrogen. M of N2 means molecular mass of nitrogen. So it is equal to given mass of nitrogen. It is given 56 gram. It is 56 gram. So listen, 56 gram upon molecular mass of nitrogen, it is 28 gram. So we solve it. So N will be equal to 2. So N of N2 means number of moles of nitrogen, it is equal to 2. Or we can write simply N is equal to 2. So this will be your answer. Now third question is, calculate the number of moles in 48 gram of CH4. So listen, W of CH4, it is given 48 gram, and M of CH4, it means molecular mass of CH4, it is equal to C plus 4 into hydrogen. So 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen here. So listen, molecular mass of CH4, it is equal to atomic mass of carbon plus 4 into atomic mass of hydrogen, and it is equal to, so the atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus 4 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, so it will be equal to 16. Now number of moles of CH4, it will be equal to W by M, or WCH4 divided by MCH4, and it is equal to WCH4 means given mass of CH4, and it is 48 divided by M of CH4, it is 16. So number of moles will be 3. Number of moles will be 3. So number of moles of CH4 present in 48 gram of CH4, it is equal to 3 moles. 3 moles. इसका मतलब हम कह सकते हैं कि 48 ग्राम CH4 में कितने मोल होंगे? CH4 के 3 मोल. इसका मतलब 48 ग्राम CH4 3 मोल CH4 के बराबर होता है. इसका मतलब हम कह सकते हैं मोल किसी भी सब्सटेंस की क्वांटिटी को बताता है. 3 मोल CH4 का मतलब है 48 ग्राम CH4. It means mole is the unit of amount. Mole is the unit of amount of substance. Mole is the unit of amount of substance. Now, so listen, I hope you have noted it. Now we will discuss the question number 4. The question number 4. So question number 4 is, in 360 gram of C6H12O6, this is what? This is glucose. This is the formula of glucose. C6H12O6, this is the formula of glucose. So listen, 360 gram of glucose contain how many number of moles? इसका मतलब 360 ग्राम ग्लूकोज में कितने नंबर ऑफ मोल्स हैं, ये आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन. सो लिसन, W of CH4 given mass of glucose, given mass of glucose, this is the formula of glucose, and given mass of glucose means W of glucose, it is 360. Molecular mass of glucose, glucose means C6H12O6. This is the formula of glucose. So we can calculate the molecular mass. So how many carbons are there? 6. So 6 into carbon. How many hydrogens are there? 12. plus 12 into hydrogen. How many oxygen are there? 6 plus 6 into oxygen. So 6 into the atomic mass of carbon. So 6 into 12 plus 12 into atomic mass of hydrogen. So 12 into 1 plus 6 into atomic mass of oxygen. It is 16. So 12 6 are 72 plus 12 plus 96. Now we solve it. 2 to 4 6 10, 7 1 8 and 9 17 and 1 carry 18. So it is equal to 180 gram. Now listen. So given mass of glucose, it is 360 gram and molecular mass of glucose is 180 gram. So always learn molecular mass of glucose is 180 gram. Now we calculate the number of moles of glucose. Number of moles of glucose equal to given mass of glucose upon molecular mass of glucose. So given mass of glucose is 360 divided by molecular mass of glucose is 180 and it is equal to 2. So number of moles present in glucose, it is equal to 2 mole. This will be your answer. So all of you note down it. Now last question is, I hope you have noted it. Now last question is, in 784 gram of sugar or C12H22O11. This is your last question. So listen. So in 784 gram of C12H22O11, this is the formula of sucrose और सुगर. ये चीनी का फार्मूला C12H22O11. This is the formula of sugar or sucrose. So listen. W of sucrose or sugar, it is 784 gram. Now we calculate the molecular mass of sugar. So given mass of sucrose is 784 gram and the molecular mass of sucrose or sugar, its formula is C12H22O11. So it is equal to 12 into atomic mass of carbon plus 22 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 11 into atomic mass of oxygen. So 12 into atomic mass of carbon is 12, 20 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 plus 11 into atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Now we solve it. It is 144, it is 22 and it is 176. Now we calculate it. It is 2, 1 carry, it is 4, 1 carry and 1 1 2 and 1 carry, it means 3. So the molecular mass of sucrose will be 342 gram. Now we calculate the number of moles of sucrose. So the number of moles of sucrose, it is equal to W of sucrose upon molecular mass of sucrose. So what is the given mass of sucrose? It is 784 gram divided by molecular mass of sucrose. It is 342 gram. Now we solve it. So it goes to time. So listen. 2. Now we solve it. 342. 342 divided by 784 divided by 342. So it will go 2 times. 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6. So 100 point carry. So 3 times 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12. So listen, 2.2 mole. It means number of moles of sucrose will be 2.2 mole. So this will be your answer. So listen here. So listen, in 784 gram of sucrose, how many moles are present? So 2 mole of sucrose are present. इसका मतलब 784 ग्राम सुक्रोस में या चीनी में कितने मोल चीनी प्रेजेंट है? तो उसका आंसर होगा 2.2 मोल ऑफ शुगर. सो नोट डाउन इट.